Got it. Here we are at
family dinner.
Uh-huh.
Right. I like cat. I like cat.
I thought it was an
That's
animal.
not nice. This is not Babe Pig in the City, that's for sure.
Done?
She's saying she's not done.
I think she's had enough.
No, she's saying.
Oh,
She was eating all night long.
She has very delicate, skinny legs. She's built like a speaker. Small
enough.
stomach and skinny legs. Look. See her legs? She has some pose.
Oh, nice, Desiree. Nice wreckage there.
Here, don't bite me. Oh. Okay. Here, you want to try? Just not near my tatas. There's no.
You gotta turn around with the corn kernels.
Gotta give it where
There
there's
you go. There you go. There you go.